agriculture spraying equipments for the farmers community and the horticulture community. So the objective of the company is that how can we reduce the chemical consumption, like day by day increasing in all over in India in other crops and horticulture crops. And second objective is the mandates. The mandates, number of mandates are using, it's increasing day by day, and the shortage of mandates. So these are the two major objectives of the company. And parallelly, scientifically, if we are approaching on the chemicals, so mostly the chemical companies in India, they are giving their best for the farmers to control the disease, but they never give the proper education. So that is the big gap, the lack of knowledge about the chemicals. So that what we need, we don't know. So these are the things. So we understand as a Charlie, as a being a director of the company, I understand we should responsible. We are responsible that what product we are making for the farmers, and that product is 100% useful for them, and the chemical what they are using in that how they will use. So to educate these things. So not only the engineering point aspect, we are making this product is looking very good. It's a sprayer, and we are putting a tank and the hose reel and the pump. It's not only a one thing. It's also a science. So how we put the chemical, what is the method of the chemical when you put inside. For example, in a very short way, I made a formula is like FIR. FIR means every people may understand the first information report to the police station. not at that FIR. FIR means when you put the chemicals inside, just follow one rule. That is FIR. First is fungicides, then after insecticides, then regulators. So if you put the regulator first, then after then the insecticide, the composition of the chemical will be different. It's not according to the manufacturers who made that. So this is the basic steps, because it's a farmer approachable facts we made at ourselves from our past more than 25 years experiences. So then when you put the chemical in the tank, so never cocktail that tank chemicals in one time. Just take few minutes, like when you put one tank, then 2 minutes, then another chemical, then take 2 minutes. This is the method. Then other thing, just I discuss with I forget his name. So Mr. Shiva also. So the dignitaries also. So the point is that the chemical reaction is very harmful for the farmer, which you cannot drink it, you cannot taste it, because it's a chemical. It's harmful for the human, hazardous. So that's why there is a concentration of chemical, like then the droplet size, the filtration system. This is the technical things which we show you in the field demonstration. The importance, the two things is when you any equipment, the concentration is very important, agitation is very important, and how you put the chemical into the tank is very important. These 2 or 3 things is mandatory. Then you get the better performance of that particular chemical and the machinery. So machinery, you can say physically, you can say the machinery, that the looks of the machinery, how it works, that is the mechanical things. But in scientifically, you can't taste anything in the chemicals. So we have to put a goal first. When this organization is doing, I am very happy to come here, and you people are a very young minds are here. I talked with Mr. Shiva almost 30 minutes. So what are the thought process, what is the objective of this association? So we will love to join hands with your association to give our expertise, that how can we help out you, because it's a 1 or 1 is 11 always. So we don't want, our agenda is not to selling anything. Our agenda is to give what better product you people use, and that you will get the benefits of that. That's it.
So thank you, sir. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳೋದಂಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರದ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು FIR ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಗಿಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಲಿಕೆ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಂದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಯಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸರ್, ವಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಲವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ for the product and other whatever expertise you have to share with our farmers and your viewpoints. Now I would like to ask Mr. Raja Reddy and Ravi Prakash sir to address this small gathering in 2 minutes.